that you sponsor a motion in Parliament to lobby for provision of free internet services in running institutions. I believe this will help the youth of this country to use their knowledge and allow them to use internet without having to use a lot of money. And I'm sure my colleagues who are in the universities know that the amount of money we pay per month for service internet provision can be used for other things if the government can support us in this endeavor.
And as I stand here, I want to take the challenge from Professor Munene that indeed the government needs to go out of its way and provide internet services in all our institutions. But what I want to say is that as the Member of Parliament for Mala constituency in Tharaka Nithi County, I want to make an undertaking that I'm going to sponsor a motion so that the government of Kenya will be able to provide the free internet services in all our institutions. And subsequently, be able to sponsor members' private bill so that it can be anchored in law. Sometimes motions may be passed, but they may not be implemented. You can only be able to implement the bills which have been passed in the House.